Hello folks, my name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, how has the uncertainty surrounding Dalian Wanda's $400 million bond repayment impacted the high-yield bond markets in Asia? So what is going on there with Dalian Wanda's $400 million bond repayment? And how has that impacted the high-yield bond market in Asia? Well, good question. First, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. So the answer is, the uncertainty surrounding Dalian Wanda's $400 million bond repayment has sparked volatile trading in Asian high-yield bond markets. On speculation that investors would be repaid the debt, saw a surge of about 46% to 90 cents on the dollar, just days after it had collapsed due to investor concerns about the group's cash availability. This has added to unease across the market for high-yield dollar bonds in Asia, with the average price of dollar junk bonds from Chinese issuers dropping to about 68 cents on the dollar, a 7-week low. The situation is one of several issues driving turmoil in international Chinese property bonds, with concerns over developers like Sino-Ocean Group and Shui also contributing to the unease. Rating agency S&P downgraded Dalian Wanda Commercial Management, the subsidiary responsible for the bonds, to CCC on non-payment risk, estimating that the company currently only has $200 million, half the required funds available. The lack of communication from Dalian Wanda, despite widespread reports of the shortfall, has hurt investor confidence in the sector. Activity in Asia's high-yield market has shrunk due to issues with Chinese property developers, which were previously the biggest borrowers. Dalian Wanda's situation is particularly notable as the company issued new bonds worth $800 million earlier in the year, becoming the first Chinese real estate business to do so and sparking hopes of a turnaround. However, these bonds are now trading between 20 and 30 cents on the dollar, reflecting a lack of market access despite government efforts to boost confidence and encourage new borrowing. The uncertainty surrounding debt repayments echoes the 2021 defaults of developers like Casa and Evergrande. As a result of these challenges, the chapter in which high-yield developers could borrow is now considered closed, and the property market in Asia is facing prolonged difficulties. You know, folks, if you're sitting there and you're like, that sounds interesting, what does it mean? How do I make any money on it? You should join my group, the Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group. Just go to www.benjaminzmiller.com and fill out the contact form. You can start coming to our completely free weekly meetings where you can learn more about investing, and we talk about real-world things that you can do to make money immediately. If that sounds interesting, just do a search on Google for Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.